Everyone, today I wanted to show you some of my favorite tips and tricks of cleaning your oven. I'm going to show you my oven here, and you can see that it is got some serious nasties going on in there. So one of the things I like to do is use the heavy duty degreaser. If you don't have any of that, you can also take your Ultra Power Plus laundry detergent and dilute 1 teaspoon in a cup of hot water. So I just spray it down real quick with the degreaser or the up laundry detergent, whichever one. And normally I would let that sit for a couple minutes, but for the sake of the video, we're just gonna go to town. And then I'm gonna use the cleaning paste and the Spiri sponge. This is one of my absolute favorites because it doesn't scratch and you can use it on virtually everything. So you just get it wet, so it's a little wet, and then I'm just gonna rub it in my cleaning paste here. A little cleaning paste on there. And I'm just gonna scrub it. You guys see how easily this can come clean. So I have a hard time using the self-cleaning feature in my oven because I am always using my oven. And it's hard to give it up for 4 hours. Like, sad but true. Like, even to do this, I'm ready to make banana bread right now. And I'm like, I gotta get my oven clean so I can make banana bread. All right, wipe these, all kinds of stuff on the side here. You wonder how ovens can get so dirty everywhere. Like, really. Kind of blows my mind sometimes. Wipe this all down. All right, so now I'm just gonna take Envirocloth and I'm just gonna wipe all this off. And show you how quick and easy that was. Clean. Oh, I totally missed that spot over there. So this really just needs to soak for a minute, this part right here. But most of that nasty's already came off really easy, so. A couple spots that just need to have soak. But the Spiri sponge, you can see it coming off. It's taking that grease off. So if I just let this soak spray it down, I'm gonna let it soak for a minute and then that will all come off. I'll put a picture of a nice clean oven on there. Let me show you the glass here. See if I can show you the glass. Take all this stuff off. So my glass, as you can see, it's not very clean either. It's got some dirties in it. Now, it can be a lot worse than this. I kind of clean my glass pretty regularly, so it's not too bad. But same thing, just take the Spiri sponge and a little cleaning paste, and you can do this part real quick. Oh, Spiri sponge is getting a little dry. You can use it on your seal as well. Get that all clean and just wipe it off. Now, if I really wanted to make it beautiful, I would use my window cloth and polish the glass, but I didn't bring my window cloth over. There you go. You can see that got rid of all of those burnt off stuff and just the nasty stuff that gets on the glass. So simple, easy, less than 4 minutes to clean my oven, and a couple simple products. The cleaning paste, the Spiri sponge, awesome, must-haves. The heavy duty degreaser or the up laundry detergent if you've got hard, really nasty, tough on grease in your oven that you need to clean up. Either one of those will dilute it and make it come up pretty easy for you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.